Okay, by using the knowledge that we have acquired during these video lectures, we are going to make one simple game where in this game we are going to make the game of rock, paper and scissors. So we are going to take the input from the users, and the second player is going to be the computer. So we'll make the three choices for computer. So out of these three choices, we're going to take these choices at random. So we need the import the random module. So let's begin by doing this example. Okay, so let me first of all import the random module. So in this game we are going to just, this is for just outline. Okay, print. So this is for just outline, so to make it look more visually appealing, so we are going to take the input from the user, so it will provide you back the element as an string. So in order to write down these multiple lines of these things, so you need triple quotation mark, and this is for multi-line comment. Okay, so for multi-line comment we use this triple quotation. So at first what we want to prompt is we need to say enter your choice for the user. So at first we are going to show them as scissor for S, and we will provide rock for R, and what is the next? Rock, paper and scissor, right? Paper for P. So in this case the user may provide you with capital S also, right? And with small s also, right? To make it a uniform, we will first change that input to, so in user we have a string, right? So to change that string to uppercase, we know that upper will make our input to the uppercase. Okay, so and the next player is going to be the computer. So computer will have need to choose by using this random dot choice, and we need to provide it in a list. So we will provide S or R or paper. Okay, rock, paper, scissor will be the choice for computer also, that's obvious. So now what we know in this game is if a user have chosen the scissor and the computer have also this randomly chose this scissor, then we need to say that it is draw, right? So we'll to write this using what we have learned using if statement. So if user is equal to computer, if user is equal to computer, then what we need to do, we'll use the f string in print computer, and we need to provide that computer, we will change the line, okay, slash n, and we will write it as user user user, and we will print the choice of the user. So if we have this both user and computer have chosen the same thing, then we'll say it as draw. So let me run this program first. Okay, let me see the what we have done up to now. So let me run game.py, game.py. So if we run this, so it have prompted me to enter my choice. So if we choose S, then it will make it in upper, and it will, right? So I don't know what computer has chosen. So if it has chosen also chosen S, then it will show me this result. Okay, let me do it multiple times. S, no, S. Okay, this time computer have also chosen S. I have also given S, then it is showing me as true. Okay, to show this more beautifully, so I'll do this line of code. So I'll put these things. Okay, this is the case when the both the user and computer have chosen the same thing. Otherwise, let me give you the condition when the user will win this match. Okay, if user have chosen P, user have chosen this paper, and computer have chosen, if it is paper, then this will be wrong. In this case, the user will win the match, and we will just, or if the user have chosen scissor and computer have chosen P, then in this case, if the user has chosen S and computer has chosen P, then in this case also the user will win this game. Or the user have chosen the rock, right? Let me Alt and Z. Let me bring this down over here. Okay, and the user have chosen the rock, and if the computer has chosen the scissors, and in these three cases the user will win this match, right? So let me show the choices that the user and computer have chosen. So I'll copy this previously written code over here, and I'll just paste it. And in this case, we want to print, we just want to say you win. Okay, so yeah, if the user provides anything beside these three options, so we want to show to the user that you have not entered the valid input. Okay, so let me do that thing. So let me write again uh, if a user, if the user have not in this list P, R and S, then I'll just show them, I'll just say them, please enter valid input, right? Valid input. Okay, I'll just say please enter the valid input. Otherwise I want to say you have lost the game, so you lose, right? So I'll just copy from the above, and I'll show the choice that the user and computer have, what choice they have chosen. So that is going to be the case, and in this case you lose. Okay, so this is going to be my program. So we are going to add more function to this program. We are just going to add the functionality of telling you lose or you win from computer only. Okay, let's just wait for this one. So bring Python my game. So if I provide S, then computer have also chosen S, so it is draw. So let me provide again S, and the computer has chosen R, so I have lost the game, right? Scissor, rock will always win against the scissors, so I have lost the game. So let me go and again choose S. So I have chosen S and computer has chosen P, so I have win this game. So in order to make this game more interesting, we can import this module, right? So we have what we known as import Python text to speech, right? SX3. Okay, what it will do this is that if you provide anything like this, right, enter your choice, then the computer will say it to you, right? Enter your choice, the computer will speak, right, by using this module. If you don't have this module, then you can go to this command line and just write pip install pyttsx3, then it will just be installed in your computer. Okay, so at first we need to initialize this engine. So what we need to do is engine pyttsx3 dot init. Okay, so we need to do init, and you are providing your choice in this case, and you just don't want to print draw, you want to print draw, but you want to say the result by your computer. So what we will do is engine.say, we just want to say game is draw. So draw, and it will say game is draw. And in order to say this whole sentence, you also need to write an wait statement, right? Engine dot run and wait. Okay, if you write this code, then it will just wait. And so we need to say here, you need to copy this two line of code. So you need to do Control C and Control B. In this case, you need to say you win. Okay, just need to say you win, and let me say please enter the valid input. At this case, Control C and Control B, and I'll just write please enter valid input in this case. Okay, and we have this last case left, so I'll do Control B. So we need to write you lose over here, and we will just run this code. You may not listen the sound from my computer, but if you do it in your own computer, you might listen. So let me add the sound. Okay, I don't know how to do that thing, so please give me some minute. Audio input capture, so I'll do it. Okay, and I'll say not in this one, so I'll just cancel it. I just want to remove this one. So how to remove this thing? I'll do remove this thing, and let me just input capture, output capture. Let's say output capture. Okay, device is going to be my speaker audio. Okay, let me give you this speaker audio. Let me say it. Okay, so if I run this program, okay, if I run this program, and if I choose yes in this case, and it has said you win. Okay, so you might not hear the sound, but if you do it in your own computer, then you'll definitely hear the sound. Okay, I don't know how to change this setting in OBS Studio to give this sound. So this much is for today. today. So you have written this simple program where you have imported this random, and you have taken this input from the users, and you have compared this if the user input is whether it is equal to computer or not, and you have given the condition in which case the user will win the match, and if the user provided anything other than this thing, let me check that condition also. Let me give J, and it will say you please enter valid input. Okay, so it is also working. So this much is for today, so don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. So please don't forget to subscribe and have a nice day.